What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of a Goodwill I haven't been to in a long time. Let's head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, in we go. Grab ourselves a cart. Cart equals good luck. It means I'm gonna fill it, right? I think so. Let's do it. All right, head straight to the media. If it's still where it is. Yeah, I haven't been in this Goodwill in a long time. Media is looking a little sad, but you never know. We got the complete first season of Dark Angel. I thought that would be a complete season, probably not worth much. See, I'm pretty good at just eyeing over them and seeing which ones could possibly hold value. Like, I've never seen this double pack. It might have some value, probably not though. Oh, they only charge $1 for their DVDs here. That's not bad. Got some bunch more over here. See if I see anything that pops out. I love looking up all the sealed things. Well, this one's $2, but even sealed, you know, it could sell for $10, $15 and you make some money. So I'll set all those to the side if I find any more. Do I see anything else here that looks interesting? Not really. Oh, here we go. If here, oh, that is empty. Yeah, not seeing too much. If you guys see something that I don't see, let me know down below. But I'm not seeing anything. And here we go. I always love looking up PBS TV shows. We have Indian Summers right here. Snag these two. Anything else? The Baxter, never heard of it. Sometimes these MGM DVDs can have a little bit of value. What else do we got here? This is definitely a knockoff. Oh, maybe not. That's just, it's like a printout. I don't know what's going on there. Looks like that's gonna be about it. Is there more? Oh, these are the two. Oh yeah, these are three I want. Anything on this side? Oh, we got even more. Okay. Come on, they're giving us all these options. I'm just not seeing anything. Oh, we got lots of board games too. That's gonna be fun to look through. Excited about that. Alright, so sadly I didn't really find much in the DVDs or those board games, so I came over to the electronics area. The one thing I did find in DVDs is the complete series of Gilmore Girls. Might be worth it, might not. But I did find this Sony DVD VCR combo right here, $15. Sold these a bunch in the past. This is the model 300p, I believe. I pulled it up right here. You guys can see SLVD 300p. Look at that price. $133 is the cheapest. So I'm definitely gonna snag it at 15. Hopefully it works. I do get 2 days to return it, so I will test it tonight. And I think I could return it to any Goodwill, so I'll bring it back to my own hometown one. Here's something real neat that just isn't worth a lot at whenever I find them at thrift stores. It's $8, and it's this fold-out seat right here with a little sun devil on the back for a college team. And I found these seats for all different sporting events and teams, and they're just never really worth it. So I'm gonna leave it. So I decided to put back all the Gilmore Girl DVDs because I don't really want to go through all those discs to make about $15 after fees. When this brand new sealed one is $2, I'll make about $6 after fees. It just seemed more worth it for the time involved. This I'm still grabbing, but as I'm looping around, I see a stack of what looks like brand new sealed records. And they're all from Target. And these are all brand new, clearance down to $7 each. I'll pop a price up here. You guys can see this one right here. I'll more than double my money on, and there are 2 of them, both brand new. So we'll put those in the cart. And then we got a whole bunch of these Cat Stevens greatest hits. I'll pop the price up here as well. Brand new, $7 each. I think I'll just about double my money. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. So that's pretty sweet. Let's grab these and stick them in here. And then we have a Creedence Clearwater Revival for $7. And I'll make some money on it, but I think I'm gonna keep it for myself. I'm on the fence about that. I like CCR, and it'd be kind of cool to have for $7, but I'm gonna take another lap in here. Not really finding too much. Let's see, what do we got? I'll bring you guys down the aisles with me. Let's see what I'm seeing. A lot of knickknacks. We got a little snowman guy right here. I don't know. What's this? Where is Joe? Is it supposed to be Joe Biden? I don't know. I don't see it. Come on. Let there be something that I just looked past that's really good, like this. This little bear. It's cute. Not worth anything though. Got a little Star Wars tin right. Oh, here we go. Here's something. We have an Animal Planet shark diver for $5, brand new. Okay, let's see if it's worth anything. I didn't see this last time. So we'll scan it in, bring up my phone and open up the Amazon seller app on here. All right, here we go. Come on, baby. Nothing, not on Amazon, so I'm not even gonna bother because I doubt it's really worth much more than 15 bucks or so, and $5 plus shipping works out to be about that. So what do we got? A whole bunch of filters. You know, I've never had luck with these filters. I walked by them earlier. Maybe they're worth something because I did not scan them in. Probably not, because they're from Target, so they're $5 each, which means they were originally $10 at Target. I'm gonna leave these because I just don't think they're worth anything. It's a pretty nice little stained glass. That's cool. Oh, we got a Big Bang Theory trivia box. I've done pretty good with trivia boxes in the past. Let's check this one out. Give it a little scan. All right, what do we got? Oh yeah, brand new. This is worth some good money. It's worth $50. I've sold them new in the past. Used 20. Wow, it's still not bad. So $11 after fees. This is a buck or two. This could definitely be a snag if everything's in here. It's $3. Close enough. Not bad. Let's see. Okay, so I'd have to count up the cards and make sure they're all in there for about $7 in profit. Is it worth it? I think so. It should only take me a minute. Let's do it. So it did take me a couple more than, well, it took me a while more than a minute, because nowhere on the box did it say exactly how many cards are supposed to be in here. It just said hundreds of trivia questions. So I had to go on my phone, type it in, then I was already invested. It is complete, so that's cool. So we'll stick that in there. I guess it was worth it. It was kind of a pain, but not the end of the world. We have, ooh, this might have some slides in it because it feels heavy. I like finding photo slides. Especially, it's not, darn. So this, I've sold these in the past, and $3 each, they actually might be worth it. But when they still have all the original photos in there, you can find some really cool things. Let's see if these are still worth it to sell. I used to sell them on Amazon all the time. So here it is, really good rank, lots of reviews, selling for 19 bucks, so you'll make just about 12. So 12 minus my 3 is about $9. That's really not bad. And that guy's just undercutting by $1, so I'll actually make about 13, well, about 10 bucks each. So that's on the 140s, so that's 10. Is this another 140? Nope. So that's $20 right there. That's definitely worth it. And then I'll look up the 80s, but I'm pretty sure they go for less. I'm not sure, let's find out. So I was scared because I figured these 80s would be worth less, and there's 3 of them. Funny enough, take a look at this. The rank is only 2 more. It sells for $44 new, or 22 used, so they're actually worth more. Make about 11 bucks each. So I'll take it. So that's about 10, 20, 30, 40, $53 right here in these carousels. Don't pass them up. I'm not sure what they go for on eBay, but on Amazon, I've always done well with them. So taking a look at the glass case right here. Hi, you could see me nicely. We have a whole bunch of sealed video games right here. We got some Wii U, not sealed though. These Xbox One games, most of these are sealed. Then we have some PS4 games, but the issue with them, these are all come from Target. You could see because the sticker on them is white. Let me zoom in on that for you guys. On that FIFA 21, $10. Crazy expensive for a 3-year-old or 2-year-old video game. Not going to be worth it for any of these, even if the titles look good. Usually they're just priced a little too high since they come from Target. Everything else here, that Halo Master Chief Collection is actually worth a little bit, and that's not from Target, but I could see, I think they're charging 12 or 13 bucks for it. Let's see if we could zoom in on that, take a better look. It's hard to tell. I think that's 12, so that's gonna probably be too much. So we're gonna leave all these video games behind, sadly. I think we're just gonna take the cart, check out. We got about $50 in these, doubling our money on all those, about $100 on the VCR. We got some money here, about 10 bucks. Not bad. Very good trip. Couple $100 in, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Happy about that. I don't see anything else inside of this glass case. Sometimes bobbleheads can be good, but $30? Come on now. Selling a bunch of 6-hour energies, 6-packs for 7 bucks. No, not gonna be that good. A bra in a box. I've never seen a bra in a box before. I have that exact same milk frother. And yeah. Okay, I think we're good to go. I'm happy with this haul. Let's get out of here.